Hey guys, you want to see me convert this banana into energy? Energy for the human body's metabolism, and energy to help put in the good energy to save the rainforest since we've done like a couple adventures there. Well, your wish is granted. So I'm just gonna take the knife and put it on a stick, and voila, we got a banana thing, and I cannot wait to make more of these, but I just want to eat this now because it's delicious. Looks tasty. Oh wait, I just got a. What's that, Cupcake Monster? We need you to help save the sloths and the other animals in the rainforest because they're in trouble and they need your help. Okay. I'd pick animals over food any day. It's good to put your needs before others. Let's go in the portal.
Wild Hollands, nurturing all breeds of dogs. Wild Hollands, running away from wild hogs. Wild Hollands, saving all species of frogs. Wild Hollands, yeah.
Alrighty, before the rainforest stew gets made, I'm going to zap Freaky the Harpy Eagle so that I can tangle with the villain. So let's do it. Now to zap Trey the three-toed sloth before he gets turned into slow-cooked sloth broth. Gotcha! Now I'll have my rainforest stew takeout. Oh my god, now I gotta go after him. Hey Freaky, can you babysit Bodhi while I kill the villain? Thanks. Let's fly. Time to grab the rocket. That's just the incinerator, don't worry. Now I'm gonna turn myself into a three-toed sloth so I can relax. Hey, oh, slow is the way to go.
Whoa! Oh my god, we just got back from the rainforest, and maybe we can donate more of these banana kebabs to help save the rainforest because they're good and stick. They're good. Bye guys, I'm gonna enjoy this, and you guys might want to make more to help save the rainforest.